She's got a bit of a challenge, though, today for the weather in New York. Could be some storms around later. Temperatures around 24 degrees. Actually, very, very similar to what we've got here in the UK.
It's a bit muggy.
It is, and it is a little bit over there as well at the moment.
Yeah.
Rather her than me, but good luck to her. And yes, it has been pretty hot, hasn't it? And the storms are around. But whilst it's a quite fairly short spell of hot weather that we're in at the moment, or have been in, it has been a significant one. Did you know that Wales on Tuesday night to Wednesday had their warmest September night on record? And yesterday in Scotland, with a temperature of 28.8 degrees, it was the hottest September day in 115 years. But the storms I mentioned are bringing the change. Let's just take a look at the impact it's going to have on the temperatures from yesterday through to today. Instead of seeing temperatures in the high 20s, low 30s, high teens, maybe low to mid-20s at best. But it will still feel warm out there, and it's still quite humid as it is out there this morning, with some storms around already. We've seen them flashing around in one or two spots. It's mainly outbreaks of rain, heaviest of which parts of southern Scotland, Northern Ireland, far north of England at the moment. Another batch of showers, Wales and the southwest. In between those areas, some of you will get through the morning reasonably dry, but the showers will be pushing their way northwards. They'll return to Northern England later. Bit of sunshine breaking between them in Northern Ireland, but where we see the showers, they could be quite severe in places. Frequent lightning, and there is a risk of flooding. But some staying dry, and in the sunnier breaks, it's still going to feel warm and humid, even though not as hot as it has been. Temperatures in eastern areas where many will stay dry, around 25 degrees. Now, this evening and overnight, the showers continue, particularly for the northern half of the country, and then a few return across Wales and southernmost counties of England. But many will actually finish the night dry, quite misty in places as well. Lots of low cloud around. And even though daytime temperatures are dropping, nighttime temperatures are still holding up for the time being, mid to high teens. And it's all because we've got low pressure with us at the moment. Where you ever see low pressure over the UK, think of it just a breeding ground for those showers to form. They'll be there first thing in the morning, maybe not as many as we've got this morning, but Scotland, parts of the west especially, but then they will start to brew elsewhere, particularly through inland areas, becoming severe, heavy and thundery. Although I suspect maybe across some southern counties of England, maybe towards the south, in South Wales, it will be a drier day than we've had through today. Temperatures continuing to drop as northerly winds develop, and they will develop a little bit further as we go into Saturday. You'll notice it mostly across Scotland and Northern Ireland. The breeze, plenty of cloud around, but as low pressure continues to move away, the showers should be lighter and fewer in number. And as you can see, northerly winds kicking in, temperatures mid-teens across parts of northern Scotland. And as that area of low pressure continues to push away further, it's replaced by high pressure. Now, that's going to bring drier conditions, but we started the week with high pressure to the south of us, drawing in the heat. This time, high pressures to the west, winds flowing clockwise, so bringing the winds in from the north. A much, much fresher day for all of us on Sunday. But whilst there will be cloud and a few showers, particularly across parts of England and Wales, Scotland, Northern Ireland should turn increasingly sunny as we go through into the afternoon. But just look at those temperatures. Instead of seeing what we've got at the moment of the mid-20s, low 30s, by the time we hit Sunday, looking at 14, 15 across the north, 20 or 21 in the south. These sort of figures, though, around what we expect this time of year. And as we see things continue to be dry into Monday and Tuesday, we will see those temperatures drop a little bit further for a while, and the nights will be a good deal more comfortable as well. So if you've been struggling to sleep in this heat and humidity, Naga and Charlie, things are looking fresher.